everybody. I'd just like to introduce Mattie Davis and his spider monkey project. And Mattie is here to give you 5 quick facts about spider monkeys. Take it away, Mattie.
Okay, so fact number 1 is spider monkey tails are larger than their body.
Great.
Spider monkey have no sons. Fact number 2 is spider monkey have no sons. And fact number 3 is spider monkey are known as trapeze.
Wow, they would probably make good circus animals.
Yes, they would. And fact number 4 is girl spider monkeys are larger than boys.
Wow, okay. And fact number 5? Average?
Oh, average life of a spider monkey is 27.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Mattie. Did you enjoy your project?
Yes, I sure did.
I hope nothing happens to the spider monkeys.
Yes, me too. See us later, Daddy. Bye.
Bye, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. And the spider monkey will remain safe in the rainforest, we hope, for a long, long time. Goodbye. Say bye, Mattie.
Bye.